After this protest, all the leaders of the contemporary time, they decided for demanding, or they decided for the demand of Purna Swaraj. So when Purna Swaraj, it was going on, this discussion was going on, the contemporary viceroy that time was Lord Irwin. Guys, you open the notebook and write down the spelling of Irwin and viceroy also. Viceroy. Viceroy. Lord, capital L, Lord Irwin. I capital RWIN. Lord Irwin. Suddenly he announced an offer of roundtable conference. So what will be the objective of roundtable conference? And it was in the year 1929 and the month was October. So why roundtable conference? Because they will discuss about the future constitution of India. They were wanting to discuss about the future constitution of India. During that time, the Congress session was going on in Lahore under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. So Nehru, he decided that this Purna Swaraj, this strategy he will place before British, and that time 26th January in 1930, the people of India will take an oath, or you can say that people were to take a pledge. Oath, or the people of India were to take a pledge on 26th January 1930 to struggle for complete independence. It was the oath, or it was a pledge to struggle for complete independence. The oath was for the struggle of complete independence. But actually it did not happen. So as consequence, Gandhiji, he announced, or he decided salt march. You guys, you know very well the Dandi march of Gandhiji. It is very popular or very famous incident or significant incident in modern Indian history. So Gandhiji, along with his 78 members, he started his march from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi to break the salt law.